on romantic walks and killing the unborn.
Oh, this would burn fast. Oh wait, it's heat resistant.
Yeah, that's gonna
fire resistant.
I can't believe you made tears.
You just look so happy. You're like me.
Little go see him, little devil, I come a little devil see him, little devil, husband, I see him, Satan, I miss him.
Hello.
Hi.
Are you eating people?
I would not sleep if I would not mind Masha. I'd be so pumped up.
I know.
It's okay to eat people. You're amongst friends.
Hello, my sweet, sweet darling. Hello.
My friends all call me Old Scratch, and I am a Capricorn. My turn-ons are romantic walks and killing the unborn. Why is it so small? Somebody give me that
You
stuff.
need more lighter fluid. That's the answer to everything.
Yeah. Where is it? Okay. Ready for this picture? Bad ideas. By K-Chan.
Do you want my ring? I like what's going.
Okay.
Kaylee, do you want my ring?
Yeah.
Does that look cool?
Hey, excuse me, I'm trying to, like, be at work. I'm at work.
Shut up, I'm
Oh, you pushed me into fire!
Happy dance party.
Can I be in the background?
Yeah, go dance, Emily. She jingles. It looks like you were peeing that.
Behind all you see liquid coming out, and then you see the fire going.
My pee's flammable, leave me alone!
You feel like you're gonna throw something at me.
I promise I won't throw things at you. Right now.
Flammable pee.
What do you expect from a bell rock?
That you're one. This is my one. There's another one. There's another.
Can you grab one? This plastic!
Beer one! That's kind of fail.
And then she dropped the marshmallows in the fire. The end.
Yeah, look at this. What a great
Oh my
story.
God, look how awesome I am compared to you.
You want to pose with this?
Yeah, you're doing yeah. That's how we do it. Eat the broccoli now. Yeah, you're gonna like it. You're gonna like it. You like it? Yeah.
Oh my God.
She likes it.
I can't believe you ate it. What's wrong with Thomas? I don't know, I'm just
The non-believer.
It's good to be dramatic.
No?
Oh yes.
Hi?
Yes, it's very, very good.
Very good.
It's very good, yes.
Very
Ja, das ist gut, ja.
Das ist strongest fish.
이러비 마그마 성진.
gonna die.
People, calm down. What if it's on the fume? What's the?
Oh my God.
Die.
Oh my God.
It's on the side. Then you go looking.
Catching fire, guys. It's catching fire. Look out, back up. I don't want anything to happen to you. I shouldn't have done that.
It melted through, it didn't blow up.
Aww, that's a letdown.
Sad that no one died. Well, hey, it's right when you walk over to it that it actually explodes.
I know it explodes once we're all over there.
That's why I'm waiting until someone does die.
Who is here?
What the devil is going on here?
Wait, drunken uncle. Red wine. Drunken uncle. Red wine with the drunken uncle.
I heard red wine.
Red wine.
Okay.
The only time when it's acceptable
The only time when it's acceptable.
to play with knives.
Oh.
It's a pipe bomb. Yay!
Voldemort, 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 Voldemort.
Cut it. Just cut it.
Just go for
Happy
it.
birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Keisha. Happy birthday to you.
It's been so much my dad's birthday, so sad.
Put the Pop Rocks on the cake. That fixes everything.
Remember?
Everything together.
Three of them.
Perfect.
I'm destroying it and I'm crying a little inside.
Here, I'll be the guy if you want. No, you can be her. You should be a dancer.
No, it went butt trumpet, and it's like, and he starts doing this. My butt's not something like that. That's not my butt. I don't know. He's like hopping around in circles. That's something like my butt. It's the greatest thing ever.
Sour grape Snape. You know Snape in the garage?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to watch it.
She's like, I finally beat you, Potter.
He's like, that's why I sit down, you little shit. Champion's just a title.
I saw that part, and my brother saw it, and he was laughing his ass off at that bit.
I just love that he's so full
He like
of
throws his cape back. I just beat you down.
I got wet to you.
Say that again too. We missed that too.
I'm shedding.
Oh!
That was awesome.
Go ahead and start explaining.
Yeah.
It's like that scene from Singing in the Rain when the guy's like, make 'em laugh, make 'em laugh. Don't you know everyone wants to laugh?
He's
Take
got a
it
way
to
for
me.
you to know.
Yeah, it kind of hurts.
Or just give it the cardboard.
Yeah. That's what we're gonna get you. We're gonna get you a cardboard cutout of him.
Oh my god.
You really? I was like in bed. I was like, no, that wouldn't actually. No.
Find a body pillow of Snape.
Oh my god, no.
Yes.
That would work.
And then have the actor sign it.
Or hell, you could
On the
probably.
Oh my god, if I met the actor,
Alan
if I met Alan Rickman,
I would literally.
You better
if
run.
I met,
Like, Alan Rickman, can you sign my Alan Rickman body?
You should. You should have
Like,
like. This is a. I'm glad you survived present.
Oh, that was nice. Exchange over its face.
Alan Rickman body pillow. You should tell him to
Rub it on your
save.
as your set.
Can we?
Try to rub this thing against you.
Just growl.
I got that on film, yay.
Look at me.
Look at me. I think.